Hi friends, thanks so much for stopping by today and welcome if you are new to my channel. My name is Alyssa and today I just wanted to share this little mini album that I made using junk mail envelopes. So if you've been with me for a while, you know how much I love using junk mail envelopes in my projects. So I just went ahead and created this layered mini album. And I used the Holiday Chic paper pad by Recollections. And this is what it looks like. So this is from Michaels. And then after I do the flip through of this, I'm going to just quickly show you how I constructed this in case you're interested. But I just used some washi tape and you can kind of see it like on the spine just a little bit, but you can't really see the washi tape throughout the whole album. So let's go ahead and just flip through this. I do have a Merry Christmas label on the front here and this beautiful present paper. And on my first page here, I utilized the window from the envelope as a pocket. So inside here, I just have this little journaling card, which is also from the paper pad. And then I just added this little strip of bows for decoration as well. Over here, I have a snowflake vellum belly band and it says Noel at the bottom. And so this little journaling card is just tucked right underneath. And then there's also a side pocket. So I just stuck another little journaling card in there. And then over on this side, I just made a little tuck spot. Those are just some Christmas trees that I fussy cut around to decorate it. And then I have this ho 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 tag. And I love how it just says ho 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 in the background as well. I don't know, maybe that's too much for some people, but I'm all about the festive sentiments. So I have joy over in this corner, and I just glued down this sheet of green paper for some writing space. There's the other part of the bow strip of paper there. And over on this side, I left some more space here for writing, but you can kind of just like flip this sheet up a little bit. And over here, this was the window from the envelope again. So I made another side pocket here. And I have this Happy Holidays card and some more ho 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 at the bottom there. But what a nice, beautiful, big window there. That's why I just love junk mail envelopes. And then over here, I just made a pocket. So this is just a tag and a little journaling card. And then over here, I have a little Happy Holidays sort of notepad. So there's some green paper and then this red striped paper. But you can kind of just lift up both of these a little bit. And this is the beautiful paper in the background. And then over here, I made a side pocket. This little strip I just cut into a little flag shape for decoration. And I have this Christmas tree journaling card in that pocket. And then this is my last page. So I just added some pom-pom trim to the side here. There's my little window again. And I did put some glittery candy stickers in the corners here and here. But in this big pocket, I just have this journaling card, or it could even be like a greeting card. You could turn it into whatever you want, but it just says Believe on the front. And I just paper clipped this Merry Christmas card and then this leftover little strip that I turned into another little flag. So you could utilize these inside of here or somewhere else throughout this little mini album, but just some fun little extra pieces to play around with. So there's that. And that's it for this fun little mini album made out of junk mail envelopes. So this is just a fun little interactive and layered album, and I just love these types of things. So I'm going to quickly show you how I constructed this. So I just grabbed 3 different junk mail envelopes, and they're all different sizes, but they don't have to be. You can do whatever size you want. They can all be the same. They can all be different. It really doesn't matter. And I basically just fold them all in half. So I'm going to fold this. So there's one. Here's my next envelope. Again, I'm just going to fold it in half. And then my last one here, I'll fold it, maybe I'll fold it in half this way. Okay, so actually I might fold this one in half this way. It really just depends on if you want to utilize the windows as pockets or something like that, and what side of the page you want them to be on. So basically, I'm just going to be stacking these up. Maybe I'll do something like this. So then when we flip through, it's going to look like this. And what I do to attach these is I just grab my washi tape, as I mentioned before, and I'm just going to tape these together. And so I'm going to start with these first 2 pages. So I'll just flip this one over, and maybe I'll do something like this. And I'll literally just pop my washi tape right there and right here at the bottom. So now this is going to be like my front cover, and then those 2 pieces are attached, and then I will just grab my washi tape again to attach the next envelope. So I'll put a piece there at the top and then one more towards the bottom. So now we have that. And then you can really add as many envelopes as you want, but I'm just going to do those 3. So then I will go ahead and just wrap some washi tape around the spine. So I'll just put it on my first page and then wrap it around to the back. Just like that. And that's pretty much it. But now we have this cute little layered mini album, and we made that out of junk mail envelopes and just some washi tape. So I'd probably create a pocket here, and then another pocket somewhere here with this window. And that's just the most time-consuming part, is really decorating and covering this up. But it's also really fun and relaxing to do, at least for some of us, I think. So this is just a fun little project that you can create and use up a paper pad. And I mean, look what it becomes. You can't even tell this used to look like this. So anyway, I hope that you all have enjoyed this flip through today and my quick little tutorial there. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel for more crafty fun and inspiration, and leave me a comment down below. I'll see you all soon in my next video, and until then, happy crafting and huge hugs!